this is Michael Sakaris's favorite segment of the podcast, so I'm going to have to go double energy here to make up for the fact that he is traipsing across Canada now. And actually, our installation this month comes from Canada. Foundry Mechanical, they posted this just a couple days ago, and man, it is just a high-level professionalism as we showcase on this segment. I mean, you really can't beat this. Naturally, I have to call attention to the diamond plate, which is just incredible stuff, but really close. If you look, they have these cool diamond plate logos for their company, which is really nice. I mean, that's really going the extra mile here. You can clearly see the Foundry Mechanical logo embedded in this diamond plate piece that's just kind of offsets, or rather just really puts a certain je ne sais quoi on this extremely professional installation that does feature LEDs and stuff like that too. I mean, the whole thing from soup to nuts is extremely professional and really impressive. So this definitely far and away wins the October Show Us Your Pipe award. Just a few other manufacturers that are featured on this. I'm just going to read it right off the post. Calefi, Calefactio, Grundfos, Webstone, Watts. It's an NTI boiler. Vega, EcoSmart Air. I mean, nothing but industry leaders throughout this mechanical room here, and I mean the level of professionalism is about as high as you can get with this sort of things. And I apologize for my phone going off here. Obviously, very excited. People out there in Radio Land want to get in touch and talk about this Foundry Mechanical installation here, which really is, I mean, you know, there's a high level you can reach, and then where do you go from there? I mean, how do you make this better? I'd be curious as to get some constructive criticism. How would you improve this? This looks flawless from top to bottom, using these category leaders at every turn, and I mean, great job out of these guys for taking the time out to document it as well. Obviously, I'm showing the entire video here throughout this segment over and over again to highlight this incredible installation. Well-deserved October winner of Show Us Your Pipe, Foundry Mechanical.